Hello, students. From this chapter, we will study this glucose in detail. That is, what is glucose and how it is prepared. That is the preparation methods of glucose. So first, glucose occur in nature in the free state as well as in the combined state. So glucose can be obtained from sucrose or from starch by catalytic hydrolysis. So first method for the preparation of glucose is from sucrose. So sucrose is hydrolyzed by using dilute hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, and when it is heated about 2 hours, then hydrolysis of sucrose take place that gives the mixture of glucose and fructose. Now from this mixture, glucose can be separated by adding ethanol during cooling. Glucose is almost insoluble in alcohol, that is in ethanol, and this fructose is soluble in ethanol and therefore can be separated. The crystals of glucose can be obtained because fructose is soluble and that get filtrated. So the chemical reaction equation is C12H22O11 is a molecular formula of sucrose. It is an example of disaccharide. When it is hydrolyzed using H2O in the presence of hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, then we get one molecule of glucose and one molecule of fructose. So we get glucose plus fructose, and we had studied now during crystallization when alcohol is added, ethanol is added during crystallization, fructose gets soluble dissolved in alcohol and glucose can be separated in the form of crystal. So that is preparation method number 1. Now preparation method number 2 for the glucose is from starch. We know starch is a polysaccharide, and starch on hydrolysis again gives glucose. So the reaction is this starch having this molecular formula C6H10O5 N times, as this is polysaccharide. Therefore, it takes n number of water molecules for hydrolysis. This hydrolysis takes place in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid. Temperature condition required is 393 Kelvin and 223 atmospheric pressure. Then we get n molecules of glucose. Here we will get glucose only, and therefore here we get glucose in large quantity. Hence it is a commercial method for the preparation of glucose. So the large quantity of glucose can be prepared from starch. Hence it is a commercial method for the preparation of glucose. So these are the two methods for the preparation of glucose, one from sucrose and second from starch. Both methods involves hydrolysis reaction. Thank you.